On innovation, and it's important we're discussing this aspect today. One of the important issues for me is we end up creating silos. So we need to make sure that the ideas which are getting generated, the teams are able to work together and merge those ideas together, because one small little idea may not always turn into something massive, but if it's a bunch of ideas together, it could be something which can be fantastic and really defining the future for the business and for the company. So one of the thoughts I would say is, let's not work in silos when you're working on ideas. Try to work together as a team.
I would like to talk about the innovation in 5 V's. First, it's about vision. Have a great strategy and execute on this strategy. It's about value, creating value to our customers. It's about velocity. It's about speed to market. Doing things faster, feel safe, feel early. And it is about vitality. Continuously generate great ideas and filling those ideas into our innovation funnel. Get prepared for the next generation of products and services. And finally, it is about people. It's we, it's us, it's together.
We need to build a culture of innovation. A culture that drives new product creation, profitability, and growth. In order to grow, we need to bring a blend of innovation, both in products and in technology, that will take us to the next level in the marketplace.
program all about? Well, it's about innovating across our silos. It's about innovation that's connected with the market. And it's not about killing ideas, it's about how do we enable these ideas.
So one of the good things I am noticing in this process which we are using, which is very refreshing to see, is about nurturing. So the ideas are not just getting generated and maybe the good ones getting patented into something better, but there is a team, and the team's role is, they're called the nurturing team. They actually help build on that idea and take it to the next level so that it really turns into the next big business opportunity for the company.
Now we have a great innovation program in place. Let's work together, create some very concrete projects, and execute on these projects. This program is going to help us generate a lot of great ideas, and we together will continuously nurture and incubate these great ideas, and eventually convert these great ideas into growth opportunities for our business.
It is a platform that will allow us to bring many ideas to table. We would then help qualify the ones that are going to get us to the next billion-dollar opportunity. It is a great platform for us to grow and innovate.